bafowethu ningichazeleni kahle ngempela iqiniso ukuthi i-constitution yomkhonto ithi asisavumelekile ukuthi siyobona ubaba sihlale naye phansi siyixoxe udaba one man one by one. Angichazeni lapha e-National Assembly, angichazeni Mdlamuli, Dudu, Muzi, Talent, Shongwe, Pinky, angichazeni asisavumelekile ukubona ubaba kanti kwenzakalani?
The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has found itself at the center of internal controversy after enforcing stringent regulations restricting its members of parliament from engaging with the party leader, former President Jacob Zuma, without prior written approval from top leadership. Sources within the party's parliamentary caucus allege that failure to comply with this directive is now considered a disciplinary offense. This move has sparked backlash, with some members accusing the leadership of imposing undue control. One of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party member of parliament said, "We have made it clear that we will not be subjected to their draconian regulations. What they are trying to do is introduce the practice of gatekeeping within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party." According to Regulation 10 of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Caucus Disciplinary Code, all public representatives are strictly forbidden from meeting Zuma without first consulting the Deputy President, Secretary General, National Organizer, National Chairperson, Deputy National Chairperson, and Treasurer General. In addition to restricting access to Zuma, the regulations also impose strict control over members of parliament, interactions with the media. Regulation 6 of the code states that engaging with journalists without prior approval from the party leadership constitutes a violation. The rule states all public representatives of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party must officially inform and seek permission in written form from the chief whip or party leader before media engagement. The new regulations have fueled debate within the party, with several members questioning their rationale. Traditional healer and prominent Umkhonto weSizwe Party member Bongolethu Mzozo, popularly known as Kehlelezi, voiced his concerns on social media and said we deserve an explanation from the MK party leadership. Does this mean we are no longer allowed to go and see Ubaba? When approached for comment, Umkhonto weSizwe Party Parliamentary Caucus Chief Whip Mzwanele Manyi appeared to distance himself from the regulations, saying he was unaware of them and said, "I'm not sure if I'm familiar with the regulations you are referring to. I think it would be better if you send written questions." Later, he declined to comment further, citing party policy, and said the Umkhonto weSizwe Party policy prohibits members from discussing internal party matters with the media. As tensions simmer within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party ranks, the enforcement of these controversial regulations is expected to remain a contentious issue among members. Meanwhile, the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Floyd Shivambu, also commented on the matter on his X-App account and wrote, "Correct contextualization. The slight correction is that the rule that is in an adopted document called Minimum Standards, Guidelines and Code of Conduct for Umkhonto weSizwe Party public representatives and not the Constitution. The Minimum Standards document and the Constitution of Umkhonto weSizwe Party were adopted on the 26th of September 2024. The quoted rule says all public representatives of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party are strictly forbidden from seeking direct meetings and consultations with the President before consultation with all the officials of the organization. That is Deputy President, Secretary General, Deputy Secretary General, National Organizer, National Chairperson, Deputy National Chairperson, Treasurer General." People also commented on his tweet, and one said, "Secretary General, what is MK Party doing with 14% of our votes? MKP seems to be driving an elitist agenda in Parliament. We are not being seen as the official opposition, and EFF is too loud. Where is MKP? Students are being excluded in UCT. In Parliament, our speech fell short of being a disgrace. At this rate, Umkhonto weSizwe Party will not be seen as an alternative. It's like the appointment to government are about paychecks." Another one said, "Where is the minimum standards, guidelines and code of conduct for MKP public representatives? We also want to read it so that we can correctly call out counter-revolution." Another one said, "And here you will learn another lesson. They don't read, only collect salaries." Someone also said, "SG, you need to get at least 4 translators that will translate all your tweets in at least 4 native languages. This must be standard for all MKP accounts." Danko.